Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to do Google My Business listing. So if you run a business, whether it's a local shop, an online service, or anything in between, showing up on Google search and maps is essential. And the easiest way to do that is a proper Google My Business listing. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to set up your Google Business profile the right way step by step. Whether you're just starting out or need to fix an overlisting, this guide will help you get visible, trusted, and ready to attract real customers. First, you have to search for Google My Business and then you will be onto this page. Once you're there, click on Manage Now. And after that, it will take you to this page. Now, what you have to do here is that you have to simply write your business name. Whatever your business is, just simply type its name. If you want to add its detail, let's say it's a flower shop, so you can also write a flower shop or floral shop with that. It's up to you. And once you have added, click on to this option. Then you have to choose that if you only do online, if you have a store or your service based. It is up to you whatever option you would like to go. Simply choose based on your business. Then you have to add your business category. In my case, it's a floral shop, so whatever matches the best, I will select it. You have to just simply search according to your business. And once you find it, just simply select it and click on next. After that, you have to just simply write your business address. First, you have to select the country, and then you just have to simply add address and postal code, and maybe it asks different options based on which country you select. If you choose the online business, then it will not ask you for the address, but if you choose a retail store, then it will ask you for the address. So make sure you add it correct, because based on it, people will come to you and you will get the best results for your business. Then it shows you the map. So from the map, if you want to select precisely, you can do it. Just simply put the cursor where your shop or the business is located and simply select that place and then click onto this next page. Once you go to the next page, then it asks you to add your contact number, or you can also add your website if you would like to. Once you have added, then you just have to simply get to this option which says put your business on the map. So just simply get agree and simply continue. Once you do so, then it will take you to this next page where you have to enter further option. Now here we have this page where you have to simply add your business hours. First, you have to select on which days you're open, and if any day you're closed, then you don't have to enable that option. And if you enable it, then you have to add your starting hours and ending hour, like when you open your business and when it get closes. You have to do it for every day. If you have different days for different hours, then you have to do according to it. Make sure you add the correct opening and the closing hours, which is also the working hours, because based on this, people or your customers will visit your store. Or if you have the online, then people will contact you within that time. And once you're done, you can just simply go to the next step. Now here you have to add the description. Make sure you use all the keywords related to your business in the description, because it will help you in the search. And after that, you just have to simply add images. You can add images of your business as well as the videos. You can add as much as you would like to. Then this says that this gives you actually some money that you can spend on your advertisement. You can skip it if you would like to avail, you can do it, and same with that option. And then it will just simply have to verify it, like it will send a message on your number that you have given to it. Or if you have added a website, then it will ask you for some video documents. You have to submit it, and after, once it gets verified, then your business will get published on Google as a business. So the process is super simple. Just simply put all of your business details, including its name, categories. Is it online? It has a store, or it is a service based? Simply add the address, contact details, your opening hours, and everything it asks. Once you do so, and once you get verified, then your business will be listed on Google My Business. And after that, the customer will visit it through Google and they will add the reviews, they will contact you, and you will run your business through it. So that's how you can list your business on Google My Business. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to do it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.